12 ways to use WD-40 at home to simplify your daily routine. Many people think of WD-40 only as something used for stopping squeaks or loosening tight bolts. However, this iconic blue can has many other surprising capabilities besides just working as a lubricant. Whether it's for indoor fixes or smart outdoor solutions, it can bring unexpected convenience to your everyday tasks. Let's jump right into a collection of useful household applications for WD-40 that can help reduce the time and effort spent on common problems, and even spare you some stress. Number 1. Unstick nesting glasses or bowls. Have you ever placed cups or bowls inside one another and found them impossible to pull apart? Rather than forcing them and risking breakage, pick up your WD-40 and apply a small spray around the area where they're jammed. Allow the product to seep between the pieces. After waiting a short while, twist gently. They should separate without resistance. Just make sure to wash the items well afterward using warm water and dish soap to clear off any leftover product before eating or drinking from them. Number 2. Eliminate chewing gum. If gum gets stuck to your shoe, clothes, or carpet, removing it can be a real headache. But here's a trick that can make it much easier. Instead of trying to pick it off with your fingers or a tool, use WD-40. Spray it right onto the gum, wait briefly, and then wipe it away using an old toothbrush or paper towel. Number 3. Clean tar, insects, and sap from vehicles. Cars often end up with tar spots, smashed bugs, or sticky sap, and these stains can be tough to deal with. Don't spend hours scrubbing or use aggressive products that could harm the paint. Instead, spray the dirty area with WD-40. Wait a few moments, then clean it off with a microfiber cloth. Afterward, wash the car properly for a smooth and spotless finish. Number 4. Take off stuck rings. If a ring won't budge from your finger, maybe due to swelling or heat, you don't need to panic. WD-40 can help ease it off. Spray a bit around the ring, gently rotate it, and it should slide off effortlessly. Be sure to clean your hands thoroughly with soap and warm water to remove any leftover lubricant. Number 5. Stop wasps from nesting. Do wasps keep choosing your home's eaves or mailbox to build their nests? Spraying those areas with WD-40 can prevent them from settling in. The oily coating it leaves behind makes it hard for them to stick their nests in place, and they tend to avoid those spots. What's more, WD-40 can block the scent markers that wasps leave when they're scouting out a nesting location. By applying it regularly in areas where wasps typically appear, you can keep them from returning throughout the season. Number 6. Quiet down squeaky floorboards. That persistent squeak coming from your wooden floors can be easily dealt with by giving it a quick mist of WD-40. Just spray it where the wooden planks come into contact and let it soak in before stepping on it again. This lubricant helps minimize friction between the boards, getting rid of the noise that tends to betray your late-night fridge visits. Unlike some old-school fixes like graphite powder, WD-40 lasts longer and also creates a moisture barrier that helps prevent future creaking. Number 7. Eliminate sticky residue. Leftover glue from stickers, tape, or price tags can be stubborn and annoying to remove. Instead of struggling to scrape them off, spray the sticky spot with WD-40 and give it a moment to work. Its chemical makeup breaks down adhesive materials, allowing you to wipe them away easily without scratching or damaging the surface underneath. This solution is safe to use on surfaces like glass, plastic, and even painted walls. Number 8. Clear watermarks from shower. Glass mineral buildup from hard water can leave your shower doors looking cloudy and stained. A quick spray of WD-40 can help dissolve these deposits as well as soap residue without too much elbow grease. Coat the surface lightly, let it sit briefly, then polish the glass with a soft cloth to restore its clarity. For ongoing results, include this step in your bathroom cleaning schedule every couple of weeks. Number 9. Clean stubborn grease off hands. If you've been fixing something, gardening, or doing hands-on work, your hands can end up coated in grease and grime. And sometimes, regular soap doesn't do the trick. WD-40 can break down greasy buildup. Just spray a little on your palms, rub them together, then wipe off with a towel before washing thoroughly with soap and water. Number 10. Keep lawnmower blades clean and lubricated. Grass clippings and dirt tend to accumulate on your mower's blades, making the machine less effective. To avoid this, spray some WD-40 on the underside of the mowing deck and onto the blades themselves. Doing so keeps debris from sticking, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. This not only helps the mower perform better but also extends its overall lifespan by reducing wear and tear. Number 11. Deter slugs from garden areas. If slugs and snails are feasting on your plants, WD-40 can act as a barrier. Applying a light coating along the borders of planters or garden beds creates a slippery surface that these pests can't climb. And because WD-40 resists water, the barrier remains effective even after rain or watering. Number 12. Shield winter boots from salt damage. Salt used on icy roads and sidewalks in winter can leave ugly marks and cause your boots to deteriorate. WD-40 can protect them by forming a shield that keeps salt from soaking in. Applying WD-40 to your winter shoes before stepping outside forms a shielding layer that keeps out moisture and stops road salt from seeping into the fabric or leather. Once you're back indoors, all it takes is a damp cloth to wipe away any salt residue. This approach not only keeps your boots looking good, but also helps them last longer during the winter months. WD-40 proves to be more than just a tool for mechanical fixes. It's a true multi-purpose staple for any home. Having a can within reach means you're always prepared for those minor day-to-day challenges. Just make sure to use it in a space with good air circulation, as the vapor can be quite strong. And when applying it to any fabric or delicate surface, test it first in a hidden spot to avoid possible discoloration. Additionally, keep WD-40 in a secure place, out of reach of kids and animals, to ensure it's used safely. Following these guidelines lets you benefit from everything this adaptable product has to offer. How about you? Is there a clever use for WD-40 that you rely on but wasn't mentioned here? We'd love for you to share your tips in the comments section. Thanks for tuning in. If you thought this video was helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and pass it along to anyone who might find it useful. It really helps us keep making great content. To stay in the loop with our newest uploads, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss what's coming next.